Welcome back to the cafeteria. Today we are making 4 types of traditional chicken wings. So here you see that I seasoned my chicken ahead of time, and I'm just going to let that sit and marinate while I work on my first sauce. So this first sauce is going to be mango jalapeno. I wanted to make mango habanero, but the grocery store didn't have any habanero. So I'm going to use what I got to get what I want, which is some mango wings. So I'm going to start off by just cutting my mango up and getting it ready to go into the food processor. Now, once I have my mango and jalapeno blended together, I'm not going to add anything else, no seasoning, because the chicken is already seasoned and I don't want to have too much going on. So to this, I'm going to add some chicken wing sauce that I got from Dollar Tree just to make it more saucy, because here is just jalapeno and mango, and that's not saucy at all. So I'm going to add some of this chicken wing sauce to help us out, because that's what this channel is all about, making things easy. We're not going to do too much work if we don't have to, okay? Moving on to the next sauce, I'm going to take some brown sugar barbecue sauce and some honey to make honey barbecue wings. 1, 2, 3, easy peasy. Easy recipes, that's the key. Now, once I got my barbecue sauce and my honey in a bowl, I'm just gonna whisk it to make sure everything is nice and smooth and incorporated, and then we're gonna move on to the next step. Now in this step, I'm just taking a Ziploc bag and I'm putting some flour in it to toss and coat my chicken. I'm not using a grocery store bag, I'm using a Ziploc bag. At this point, we should know about germs and sanitation, okay? Use a Ziploc bag. Don't use a grocery store bag. Now, at this point, I have a pot of oil that's been heating up. So now that I know that it's nice and hot, I'm going to add 4 pieces of chicken to the flour. You don't want to flour all your chicken at one time because you can only put so many pieces in the pot. And the chicken that's just sitting coated in flour is going to get gummy and it's going to be a weird texture that you don't want. So flour some pieces at a time. Fry, flour, fry, flour. Now, moving on to the fun part, I'm going to put my 4 pieces of chicken into the hot grease until they are done. Now, I don't time my chicken. I just go by eye. So I put it in, I let it cook, I turn it around till it's nice and golden brown, and even sometimes I might break the chicken open just to make sure that it's cooked on the outside. So, don't overcrowd your pot. Just cook a few pieces at a time. I have 16 wings, so I'm cooking 4 at a time. Once your chicken is done, it should look something like this. And even at this point, like I said before, you can break your chicken open to make sure that it's cooked on the inside, not the outside, the inside. So now I am going to do the most exciting part, and I'm going to coat my wings. So I'm going to start off with my honey barbecue, then I'm going to move on to my mango jalapeno, and once I have everything nice and coated, I'm just going to plate these wings up, and then I'm going to dig in. Here is what the final wings look like. They're all nice and plated. Got a little ranch in the middle if you want to dip them. And we are done. Chicken wings are one of the easier meals to make. You can mix and match them however you like, and they turn out great. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.